first chord we're going to look at how to play is the E chord. And I'll show you how to read a chord chart, but first let's just look at what it is on the guitar. This is your E chord. And how we play this is simply this. Your first finger will be on your first fret, third string. Second finger will be second fret, fifth string. And your third finger, ring finger, will be also on the second fret, but the fourth string. So let's take a look at what that is on a chart. This is how you read a chord chart. You see this graph here. It's a little picture of the end of your guitar. This piece right here would be kind of like the nut of your guitar. The 6 lines going this way are your strings, starting from string number 1 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means this bottom line right here is going to be your low E note, your very deep bass E note. This string up here will be A, D, G, B, and then your high E note right there. The lines going this way are your fret bars. So if I place a note right here, that's going to be in my first fret on the third string. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the E chord first, E major, and it looks like this. First finger will go here, second finger here, third finger there. So if you place one finger at a time, you're going to put your first finger in the first fret on your third string. Then place your second finger on the second fret, but now this is your fifth string, the A note. Then your third finger, your ring finger, will go right in line, same second fret, but now you're on the fourth string, your D string. So these fingers together will form your E chord. Okay, let's take a look at the A chord. A major. There's a couple different ways to finger this. This is the fingering I prefer. If you're looking online or other tutorials or music books, it might show you different fingering. This is the way I prefer it. And what you'll use is your second finger here, third, and then your fourth. There's many different fingerings. The fingering I prefer is using these fingers here. Second finger on your fourth string, third finger on your third string, and fourth finger on your second string, and that makes the A chord. You want to pay attention when you're playing this chord. The X here is going to mean that you don't want to play your sixth string. You don't want to strum that when you're playing this chord. The next chord we'll look at is the G chord. First finger on your fifth string, second fret. Your other fingers are going to be aligned up in your third fret, sixth string, second, and first. Okay, take a look at the C chord. That is first finger, first fret, second string, second finger, second fret, fourth string, third finger, third fret on your fifth string, the C chord. Your D chord, first finger, second fret, third string, second finger, second fret, first string, and your ring finger, third fret, second string. Any D chords that you're going to play, you also want to pay attention to not strumming strings 6 and 5. You want to keep your strumming on your fourth string and higher. E minor is our next chord, very similar to E major, except we're going to lift up our first finger, which leaves us with simply these two fingers, second and third finger on your fifth and fourth strings in the second fret. And the last chord we'll take a look at is the A minor chord. First finger, first fret, second string, second finger, second fret, fourth string, And your third finger, also second fret, third string.